Wuliriza VDN otegeere gains Mwami Museveni z'ayogerako okukuuma.
How many businesses do you have in Uganda?
I don't know really, because some of them I own alone, others I own with other people. So say I don't know really how many I have. I can't tell you now.
Not even approximately.
There are quite many because I'm sometimes disorganized. I tend to touch on many things.
Yes. What do you mean by many? Could they be about 20, 30, 100?
I think I was seeing the list. I think there are about 15 to 20 there. That's why actually I think now I have decided to sell all of them, create one entity that will be directed into production.
What is this entity you want to create?
It's an organization called Divinity Union Limited, and if I will be able to sell these things, I'll put all this money into this organization and manage a single entity instead of the 20, 30 units, which are sometimes not profitable.
How many businesses do you have outside the country?
None, except shares on the Vancouver Stock Exchange.
And what is that?
These are shares belonging to Banff Resources, the company that is planning to exploit Kirembe mines.
What is the total worth of your businesses?
I haven't yet calculated that.
You don't know how much you are worth, for instance?
In assets or in cash?
In terms of cash.
Cash?
And of course assets are valued.
Cash, I think I'm overdrawn. But assets, I don't know. I don't have the value yet. In terms of cash, I'm overdrawn in a few banks.
But including Greenland?
Yes, including Greenland.
Yeah, you, Major General Salim Saleh, you are reported involving in gold prospecting in Karamoja with a South African company. How far did this deal go?
It fell through. It didn't work because of gold prices worldwide. We found out that the prospective one was not going to be economically viable.
Yeah, you.
So we have suspended operations until the gold prices can be able to match up to the costs.
But were you already mining the gold in Karamoja?
No. They were just prospecting.
Yeah, there were some reports that some gold was already being mined.
And that there were some South African planes which were flying the gold there without even passing through customs.
No. You can check that. There was no possibility.
And the local authorities in Karamoja also complained that when you abandoned the prospecting, you never told them that you are leaving. Is that true?
No, I think I'm not involved in many of these companies. I started them and then they are managed by different people.
But you remain the man at the top.
Yeah.